Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Today, you'll learn body parts in English. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend. Like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Brain.
Brain controls thoughts, memory, and the body.
Brain.
Brain. Brain. Brain.
Heart.
Heart pumps blood through the body.
Heart.
Heart. Heart. Heart.
Lungs.
Lungs help the body breathe oxygen.
Lungs.
Lungs. Lungs. Lungs.
Liver.
Liver cleans the blood and processes nutrients.
Liver.
Liver. Liver.
Stomach.
Stomach breaks down and digests food.
Stomach.
Stomach. Stomach. Stomach.
Kidneys.
Kidneys filter waste and produce urine.
Kidneys.
Kidneys. Kidneys. Kidneys.
Intestines.
Intestines absorb nutrients from food.
Intestines.
Intestines. Intestines. Intestines.
Small intestine.
Small intestine absorbs most nutrients from food.
Small intestine.
Small intestine. Small intestine. Small intestine.
Large intestine.
Large intestine absorbs water and forms waste.
Large intestine.
Large intestine. Large intestine. Large intestine.
Pancreas.
Pancreas helps digest food and control sugar levels.
Pancreas.
Pancreas. Pancreas. Pancreas.
Spleen.
Spleen helps fight infections and filters blood.
Spleen.
Spleen. Spleen. Spleen.
Bladder.
Bladder stores urine before leaving the body.
Bladder.
Bladder. Bladder. Bladder.
Esophagus.
Esophagus carries food from the mouth to the stomach.
Esophagus.
Esophagus. Esophagus. Esophagus.
Trachea.
Trachea carries air to the lungs.
Trachea.
Trachea. Trachea. Trachea.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder stores bile used for digestion. Gallbladder. Gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
Appendix.
Appendix is a small organ connected to the intestines.
Appendix.
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 Diaphragm.
Diaphragm is a muscle that helps with breathing.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Diaphragm. Diaphragm.
Thyroid gland.
Thyroid gland controls metabolism and energy.
Thyroid gland.
Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland.
Pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland controls hormones in the body.
Pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord sends signals between the brain and body.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Spinal cord. Spinal cord.
Veins.
Veins carry blood back to the heart.
Veins.
Veins. Veins. Veins.
Arteries.
Arteries carry blood away from the heart.
Arteries.
Arteries. Arteries. Arteries.
Bones.
Bones support and protect the body.
Bones.
Bones. Bones. Bones.
Muscles.
Muscles help the body move.
Muscles.
Muscles. Muscles. Muscles.
Skin.
Skin protects the body from the outside.
Skin.
Skin. Skin. Skin.
Rib cage.
Rib cage protects the heart and lungs.
Rib cage.
Rib cage. Rib cage. Rib cage.
Bone marrow.
Bone marrow produces blood cells.
Bone marrow.
Bone marrow. Bone marrow. Bone marrow.
Tonsils.
Tonsils help fight germs and infections.
Tonsils.
Tonsils. Tonsils. Tonsils.
Uterus.
Uterus is the organ where a baby develops.
Uterus.
Uterus. Uterus. Uterus.
Ovaries.
Ovaries produce eggs and hormones.
Ovaries.
Ovaries. Ovaries. Ovaries.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.